Hi guys, today we will talk about Sharp Aquos R9. It's launched on May 2024. The Aquos R9 dimensions height 6.3 inches, width 2.9 inches, thickness 8.7 mm. The weight is 188 gram and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of this device, it's come with Pro IG Zero LTPO OLED screen and the screen size is 6.5 inches with 89.2% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p and the refresh rate is 240Hz with 1500 nits peak of brightness and the protection is Corning Gorilla Glass. The platform of this device it comes with Android 14 operating system and the chipset is Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3. And the CPU is octa-core CPU with Cortex-X3 with Adreno 735 GPU. And the memory is 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of ROM. And it supports micro SD card. Let's go to the camera. It comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide. And it's record 4K 60fps video with main camera. And the selfie camera is 50 megapixel and it's record 4K 30fps video with front camera. Let's talk about the battery of this mobile. It's come with 5000 mAh battery and 45 watt wired charging, no wireless charging and 5 watt reverse wired charging. The common and the feature Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 3.1 and IP68 dust water resistance. The price of Sharp Aquos R9 is $499.